I think your name, if I...
ZAHOOR, yeah.
Yeah, I know. So you can write or you can any letter also even enough for that. Then you can go in. You can select, the children should select, can select their images if they want, otherwise. So when you go to the first page, you will be seeing this much only. Here you can see languages, science, mathematics, activities, GK, rhymes, stories. Got it? But each section, when you click, you will have to go deeper into. When you click languages, you will go to other module, where you will be having English, Hindi, then use of English, then phonics, then regional language including Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam, Tamil, or Marathi language also. That will be alphabets only, not that paragraphs or something like that. This is only alphabet. Now, if you go to English, click on English, you will be getting the entire alphabets like this. Okay. Then the specialty of this section is that this is as per the international stroke system. That means a letter shall be written in many ways, but there is an international stroke system where to start with, and that is a scientific system accepted worldwide. And if you write, you can write in different ways. He can be written, but this is a pattern. Got it? So with every letter, there will be
pictures,
the images, name. If you want to click here, so even 2 or 3 words also will be with the pronunciation and the importance of letter you can see here. Like this it will be going. Okay. You want to see any other letter like this?
No, sir.
So next is the small letters.
Small letters.
Similar. So here also, if you the stock system is as per international system. This is small letter.
H for horse.
See here also. So every letter, there are 26 letters, alphabets, but we'll be having almost 78 or 80 letters. Words you will be learning with the importance of the letter in that particular thing. Then in that you will be going to the cursive letters. Okay. Then you will be going to cursive small letters. You got it? So if you want to see, I can show you.
No issues, sir.
So you get an idea. Then
yes.
So that is English, and after that alphabet, there are so many tests will be coming. The unlimited tests. This is a specialty of this software is that these tests are not ending. You can see now here is papaya, then here dog. Then if you go and click again on this activity, it will be a different set.
Okay.
Then if you go back and click again, it will be another set. Some of them
shuffles automatically.
Yeah, that's a random generation. That is old AI system. You know, our old AI system, the first level AI system is random generation, random selections. So now if you go again, so you will be having numerous such things will be there. Okay. So if you owl is how it will be where
you are down last second line beside you. OW.
Yeah. You got it. So this way, in this one more if you say, I will take it. Okay.
It's yak.
Yak. Where is yak? Yeah, here.
Yes.
Why? So here what happens is that the child learns the spelling because it was very difficult for us to learn the spelling. But here the child learns the spelling very smooth and fast. Correct. So this way hundreds of tests they can create here. Then there are another type of test.
Z.
Okay. You can repeat if you are not clear, you can repeat it. You can get it.
Z.
So if it is wrong, then if you click a wrong one, it will tell it is wrong. So hundreds of such options will be coming. Then if you go to Hindi, similar thing. Hindi alphabets like this. Okay. The strokes, they can keep the 4-line book and they can follow the strokes. That's Then this one, Kai Ka. Then Kaka Kiki. Then myself. This is about me. What's your name? How old are you? These are the questions the child faces in the young ages, and he has to learn how to answer those questions. So these are very important about him. More about him is about your father, favorite food, and what you see. About his family, father, who is your father, what is your father, who is your father, both are different. So, what is your mother, who is your mother, and what was the type of different. Then about the school, and then more about the school and teachers, principals, and all these type of questions to be answered in the young ages. So, all such things he can fill and he can use. Okay.
Yes.
Then this is the another most important area where phonics is important. So this is the phonics. So like this, why we are not saying apple? Children will be having doubts.
Yes.
A means apple, but as per the pronunciation system, it is apple. So that way it is clear. Then another vowels.
Vowels.
This is very important. Vowel rules are there. So
One
many rules.
vowel, not
This is
at the end.
little tough for the young children. With the support of the teacher or parents, he can study this
And it
one.
is
But
anywhere except
see here,
rhyme, time, symbols, grade, celery.
you see, ending Y like long name. So all these are scientific that the children cannot be learned on their own. So then another section is word blending. So how? Please? So this way, then next level of phonics is the comparisons and all hundreds and hundreds of letters with the C.
Cables, fable, stable, daughter, taunt, caught, table, blue, blocks.
Then all letters combinations are coming here. See, so hundreds and hundreds of such words are there. Then activities follow. As earlier, randomly coming, so many tests will be there. Then here comes the regional language. Here it is Malayalam. Then if you go to Telugu, this is Telugu, no?
Yeah.
Yes, Kannada is also similar almost.
Ah.
Then your language, similar.
Yes.
Then Tamil.
Tamil.
Okay. Tamil also in detail. Everything is in detail. Tamil means Tamil in detail. Then here Kaka, Kiki, whatever. All this will be coming. Then another Arabic is here. See, alphabets of Arabic. You can see. Only alphabets and pronunciation and reverse. Okay. Then other regional languages means Marathi here.
Yeah.
And all these type of things will be there in the language section. Then if you go to the next level, GK level means that when you open this, you will be seeing so many things. See, you can see hundreds and hundreds of animals, domestic animals. See, pet animals, wild animals, and all will be coming. See, you can hear them. Then if you want translation, you can translate that to. Okay. So this animals section is there. Then bird section, you can see hundreds of. Then the translations as we have seen earlier. Then animals, another type of wild animals and all. You can click here to proceed. Okay, aquatic animals, flying mammals and all. All these are exactly syllabus. Transportation, see. All this. Then if you go there, body parts. Then everything in syllabus. Musical instruments. Then the translations as usual here. All this is the nature. If you want to see the nature, you can see the nature here. Fruits, if you want, fruits will be there. These are all exactly the syllabus of the nursery school and the KG kindergarten. And all these can be then insects, if you want, insects are there. Colors. Then all these words in this section, all these words can be translated to all other 7 languages. Okay. Then tools. Then things. What are the differences between tools and things? All these things will be seen.
Desk.
Then vegetables. So this section is so deep. Hundreds and hundreds of
Very nice.
words are there. So the tools, flowers if you want flowers there. Then all these things. Okay. You got an idea about then activities will be. Many activities. Another type of activity is here. This is another type of activity. Final answer. Okay.
Great.
If it is wrong, it will tell you
What
it's
does
wrong.
not belong to this group?
Right answer will be showing. So this way test will be there. Then there's a notebook where you can add anything. Hundreds and hundreds of words in the name of server. If you enter, register, you will be having hundreds of pages to write whatever you want, questions or notes or something new, something what if you want that many days. Then all these are here, many other things also here. Then if you go to the other section, next section, you can go to mathematics. Mathematics will be seeing money, time, measurement, subtraction, geometry, numbers, addition. All these things will be. For example, if you take subtraction.
Subtraction. An orange tree has 6 oranges. Birds take 2 of them.
It's for kg.
Now the tree has 4 oranges. Then 2 oranges fall down. Finally, the tree contains only 2 oranges. Subtraction means taking away. Minus is the sign for subtraction. The number from which the other number is subtracted is called minuend. The number which is subtracted is called subtrahend.
So this way,
Horizontal subtraction. Subtract 5 from 8.
so then subtraction problems. This is what is the most important area where many varieties of questions children will be having. Here you can see various type of questions like this. They can answer here. If the answer is wrong, it will tell it is wrong, and it will give the right answer here. And if the answer is wrong, you want the score. If the answer is right, you can see the score here also. Okay. So this is one section. Then if you go to addition also similarly here, you can see addition like this.
Adding 2-digit numbers. Add 24, write the numbers in vertical form. Add ones. First memorize the larger number 4 and add 2 in fingers. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Add tens. Memorize the larger number 2 and add 1 in fingers.
You can read whatever the voiceover is saying. You can read here also. So the children who do not understand English also, the voiceover, if they do not understand, they can go through this note.
2 plus 1 equals 3.
So like this, all this subtraction, then time, reading time, how to read time.
Reading time. When the minute hand goes from 12 to get back to 12, it means for reading time. First, here the hour hand is at 10 and the minute hand is at 12. Thus, the time is 10 o'clock.
So like this, time is there. Then money, you can see money here. Chapters, these are all chapters. Then measurements is sizes and
Big
comparisons.
and small. Watermelon size is more, so
All
it
these
is
things.
big. And the orange size is less, so it is small. Now we can see 3 different fruits. We can compare these fruits with their sizes. An apple is a big fruit. Pineapple is a bigger fruit with respect to apple. The watermelon is the biggest fruit with respect to apple and pineapple. Here we can 3 small size fruits. Orange is a small fruit. Strawberry is smaller than the orange. Date is the smallest fruit with respect to strawberry and orange.
So this way, thereafter tests, all varieties of tests will be having here. Hundreds of tests will be there. Then if they go to numbers, they can how to write numbers up to 100. How to write, see. And it is represented, number represented what it is. So even and odd
Even
numbers.
and odd numbers. Objects that are in groups are also said to be in pairs. Even numbers are those that can be put in pairs. Example, 2, 4, 6, etc. Odd numbers are those numbers that cannot be put in pairs. Example, 1, 3, 5, etc.
So test also will be here. Then here subtraction, measurement, time, then position, left to right. These are all syllabuses only. Then if you want to translate that into other language also,
Yeah, that is there. Yeah, that is the very best option in your software.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, this is so any language. So if a child is in Malayalam, he can select first Malayalam, and if he doesn't know the English of that, he can go that way.
Yeah.
The reverse also they can do, or forward also they can do. All these numbers, names, whatever in that you have seen that are translated, so communication will be easy for them. They need not worry about asking what is the meaning of all these things. Even if you want to go to a Kerala market, you can have all the Malayalam foods and vegetables here.
Yes.
You can translate and go. So on the spot you can see. Okay, you can write it down and go to the see. Here the activities are. So this is another section, the mathematics. You should go deep into that. It is so deep, and you will have to go deep into all the topics to see all this. This
Yes,
is what,
but you have made
Even
the
idea.
video very simple. The
Yeah.
video is very simple. Like
then,
no confusions at all.
yeah, children are learning now. This is simple, and everything, comprehensive, everything, whatever foundation they want to have in languages, the strokes are, I think the teachers do not have the idea how to start, where to end, and what is about international stock.
Yes.
They do not know. They write somehow, they write it, they manage it. But it is not the way to write English. So
Yeah.
this is one. Now if you go to science, here you can see life science. See plants if you take.
Plants. A plant is a living
If you go
parts
to
of a plant. The main
Photosynthesis.
photosynthesis. The green leaves of plants absorb light energy from the sun.
So these are all things, and if you here there's an arrow, you can click to proceed ahead. It will show how.
The plant uses this energy to make food with the help of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll.
What happens in a plant is evidently clearly showing. So child will be having a clear-cut concept of how our food is made on the leaves. See.
Chlorophyll gives green color to plants.
Then, yeah, so you can see this. So it will be going on, explaining the topics like this for long. The parts of plants, if you want, leaf.
Leaves. Part of a plant that makes food is called leaf.
So the visual effect, definitely they will never forget. Lifetime memory will be there. That will be rooted in the memory of the child for lifelong. So what is leaf? What is fruit?
Fruits. Fruits are the fleshy part of a plant bearing seeds.
Then roots.
Parts of a plant that holds the plant in the ground are called roots. Each part of a plant performs a different function. Roots are parts of a plant which are found under soil.
So these animals, if you go, birds which cannot fly, flying animals, insects, snake, all these are topics like this.
Yeah.
Fish, crawling wild animals. How do plants and animals change? So grow seeds, seedling. So for example, if you take seedling, you can
A
see
baby plant is called seedling. When a seed germinates, it becomes a small seedling. Seedlings grow into big plants or trees.
see, exact clear understanding will be there for a child.
Yes, yes.
So if you go to the next topic, how can you care for plants and animals? It is there. Then sense organs. What are the sense organs? Your eyes, nose. If you take-
Eye. To become aware about an object by means of eyes is called see. We use our eyes to see. Eyes can identify colors. Sense organs. 5 sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Nose. To become aware of an odor by means of a sense organ in the nose is smelling can be used to identify certain qualities of an object. Most of the flowers have pleasant smell. Rotten egg has bad smell. We can identify flowers by their smell. Tongue, to test the flavor of ear, to receive
skin. All this will be explained like this.
Fingers
This
of
is
eyes.
life science. You can see here life science. So what is the skin? And because they get the clear idea, they may
Yes, yes.
will be having an idea how the layers of skin is working and all this stuff.
Our
Yeah,
sense
you can
of
see this.
skin helps us
Quick to
feel
proceed.
cold.
Hmm.
Through the pores in the skin.
It will go on. The topics will be going like this. So earth science, if you go, see resources of earth, water resources, water is a resource, uses of metals, how do we use nature, care earth, all these things will be seen. And similarly, resources of earth, resources means what? Or as metal, uses of metal, wood that things made by wood. Water is a resource, water, rain, river, tree, ocean. Water means what?
Water is a resource. Water is a liquid we get from earth, which is essential for plant and animal life.
See what's a pond?
Pond. Pond is a water body where water is collected naturally.
Then uses of water.
Water. Water is essential for life. We should drink water to live. Animals also drink water. Plants use water to make food. Water is used for irrigation of crops.
So that will be going on like this.
Water is used for washing clothes, cooking food, cutting, and for many other purposes.
Then if you go to physical, then you can see all these topics. What are some kind of what can you describe object? What are the what is made of? All these questions will be there. And if you want to see what is magnet,
Magnet. Magnet is an object that attracts some kind of metals.
got an idea, I think. Then another set is what is aeroplane, airship, science level 1. So hovercraft, helicopter, rocket, all these things will be there. Space shuttle, water, rain, river, ocean, forest, wood, window, ship. All these things will be explained. Okay, you can see how many things are there.
Domestic animals
So
live
this
in
will be. Then if you go to the another section, you can see activities. Here hundreds of activities. That means these are unlimited activities. For example, if you are ready to test your memory, I will give a memory test. So this painting means painting in that they can mix a color with different colors and make a unique color. Millions of colors they can create in that. So this is a coordination test. This is memory test, time test, classification test, puzzles, the spell test, shape test, and so many tests are there. So, for example, if you take this one, there are 3 things given: deer, cat, sheep. You will have to type it.
Okay.
If it is wrong, it won't work. So it will come, 3 will be completed. Next time if you click, it will come 4. 4 will become.
Okay.
Okay. Then you can, this is actually whenever you want to, maximum 1 minute, you will have to remember, memorize it, you can do it. And one more I will show you, lion, star, jet, drop. So it is, they can do in the order, or otherwise also the best result is that they should remember in the order. The thing. Otherwise also it will work, it will appear, but that's best thing. And also, the maximum time is 1 minute. If they are ready to do it in 5 seconds, that is the fastest. So this is an unlimited option for children to improve their memory speed.
Memory, yes.
So he can make it in 1 second if it is possible. So next time when he clicks, it will become 5. All will be different. Some will be repeated. So see, 2 seconds you can do that. So this will go up to 9. Then after that, 9 random generation of 9s will be coming. So anytime. So if you don't know, just skip here. But you will have to, if you want to have 6, you will have to complete this and go. Otherwise, you cannot.
For next level, we have to complete this level.
Complete this. Perfectly. So it will go on like this. Then another test. This is coordination skills and memory. See, you see this is pair here. You have seen here. Then you will have to come back. This is very interesting thing. The child will be coordinating with his memory.
Yes, to remember.
He has to go back and click to the same which he has seen already. So that is an amazing game. And see, when you click on next time, you are getting a new test. See, earlier we saw a pair.
The pair was there. Yes.
If you go and click again, you will be getting another set. So children will never get bored because a new test always will be coming.
Right.
Yeah. So this way they will have to complete the full stretch. Then you are having time tests, hundreds of time tests. What is the time? 6:15. You can give here. The important thing is that child gets the answer immediately. He need not worry about asking their father or teacher or something. And if he commits a mistake, simply sit and laugh and go. See, now it is wrong, but nobody sees. Then see, next time he understands and he will do himself. This is a self-learning system with the confidence. He can proceed ahead. Making too many failures, he can drive to success. That is the method here. No need of any parent support. He should make trial and error system is there so that he should make mistakes and correct himself to proceed ahead to the perfection.
Right.
That is the method. Another thing he will be getting. Now he is getting an. So how to read time? We have already learned. You have seen that.
Yes.
So he gets it. Okay. So this way hundreds are there. Different times you will be coming. So this one. Then you have got the shape test. These are all tests which are essential for the small kids. You can put the rounds here. You can put the cylinders here, you can put the shapes here. This is for nursery class. If you put it in a wrong, it will go to the right and it will stay, it is wrong. And if we see here, you can see stars and scores. Okay. You see my cursor moving on the board?
Yes.
He scored earlier.
7.
Advance has done 7 and no star for him.
Okay.
But how many stars? 3 to 5 stars are there. Somebody does it. So every time this is a new set will be coming.
Right.
And spell test if you want. See. Here you listen to this P-A-R-R-O-T. When we were studying also, this was a method we were learning spelling. But here it is digitally learning without the help of a parent. Okay. No need of anybody to help you.
Tell whether it is right or wrong. Yes.
Correct or wrong. So go to the next. If you give a wrong answer, see, it will give the right answer. Pro. So this will go on like this. Then number tests are there. Number counting test. See 10, 14.
14.
Yeah. If you write 14, it will tell it is right. Then it will show another test. So this also will be going on like this. Okay. If you write the wrong answer, it will tell you it is wrong, it is right answer will be given. And next question you can ask. So this way numerous tests will be there. Then classification of tools. This is very, very important. Our children are confused, very much confused with the tools and things. What are the tools, what are the things? So this is a tool. This is a tool. And this is a thing. Okay. But if you put here, it will go to the tools. So tools have one, the important, very important. We may feel it very simple, but it is very important.
Yes.
So this way, many tests are there. Then shape tests, then puzzles as we have seen earlier, this will be there. Then color test will be there. You can match the colors. Violet, if you put here, it will be okay. Next time if you click another test, as usual, I told you. Then shape test will be the mathematical shape test. So this is also another important area where they can understand what the shape is and where it should be placed. So that will be there. Then number, shapes, time, memory, then shapes, spell, paint test is there. Here you can click any of them. But when you click, there are many pictures will come like this. You select one. So one came and you can select the blue here. And if you want to add a little yellow to this and make the blue little deeper, then add a little this one pink or any other color to this one. See, you can make a different color, unique color, which can be mixed into millions of colors they can mix. You can click here, and if you want, you can another color if you want, you can make the changes or you can use the same color. And this way you can, if you don't want, you can click. So in schools, what happens that they have got printed activity papers are there. Here what happens is that they are getting hundreds and hundreds of digital options. That means it is equal to see if you want nature, you can go to nature, select nature, any of this. So at a click, you are getting hundreds of digital worksheets. We call it worksheets. So when you mix a color, you can change it in other paper. You cannot do anything. So you can mix and add. So unlimited options are here for this one training also. This is one area, activity area. So this is we spend this much time just to see the kids version. And in that, if you go to rhymes, you have got many options of rhymes. These are all rhymes. See. Then more rhymes if you want. You are having a rhyme 1 if you want. See, going back to school. If you take. And good manners. Then if you click here, you are having 15 in this section and more than 7, 8 or 11 on the other section. So these are rhymes. Okay. Now if you go to the other section, stories. These are all stories. You can see more stories here. So when you go to this, a child, if he spends almost 1 year or more doing the activities and following the curriculum, he will never be finished, or he will have enough and more to practice in mathematics and everything. So lack of time. You can, if you want to go deep into, I can go deep into that. Okay,
I understood the concept.
that is it.
This is KG2,
Nursery KG.
nursery and KG, pre-KG and UKG and LKG. Okay.
Yeah. Why?
And what about first standard and above?
Yeah. I will go to that. But you can see here. You can see the standard 3.
The 3 and even dictionary is there. Okay.
Yeah, dictionary pronunciation usual words they are using. Now here also ask. See, you can enter. Here he can use the syllabus CBSE, ICSE.
ICSE and state.
Specialty of this one is that in India, up to 4th standard, the syllabus is same, almost the same for all the syllabuses, CBSE, ICSE, or IT, or state. The order of the chapters only will be differing, or some names of the chapters will be different, but contents are the same. So these are the chapters. You can see what and now how animals eat, materials, soil, solids, living and non-living parts of the plant, birds, the human body, safety. This is science separately given. Actually, this is EVS, but EVS social sector is separately given here. So in the sky, so all these are. So these are the when you take a chapter, you can see the subtopics: animal, how to grow, how to work, animal, tubing of the cut. So all this. See, you can see this one. What is
Gnawing the food. Rats, rabbits, and squirrels have long, sharp front teeth to bite off pieces. They also crack nuts with their long front teeth. These animals break the food into small pieces with the help of the large grinding teeth at the back of their mouth. Tearing and cutting the food, carnivores, such as lions and tigers, have sharp front teeth. Swallowing the food whole, lizards and snakes have small teeth for grabbing and holding their prey. Snakes can open their mouths very wide to swallow their prey.
This is exactly their syllabus there, and in detail they are learning.
Their teeth are not strong enough to bite or chew food. They swallow their prey whole.
See, if I keep on clicking here, it will be going deep into this. I am taking one of each.
I got it.
Yeah. So feeding, cooking, the materials we use. There also you will be having different topics. Then soil, how we soil form. Then if you
what does soil contain? Soil is a thin layer of matter on the surface of Earth.
Clay soil.
Clayey soil.
Loamy soil.
Loam has a mix of sand and clay. It contains the right amount of air and can hold water well. It also has humus. Humus helps plants to grow well.
So this way, they'll be having tests here. This also when you click.
Okay, same chapter last you'll have question and answers.
Oh yeah. This
multiple choice.
Multiple choice you can see here. Rocks break up due to the action of.
Yeah, MCQ.
When you click again, you will get another set. If you click again, you will be getting another set. So humus is dark in color. If you give the right answer, you get the score here. So children need not worry about asking anybody whether he's.
What is the notebook, sir? Is it the notebook?
I will show you. So then true or false questions.
True or false.
Then questions and answers. They can see the question and answers. Notebook means whatever earlier we have seen in the kids section. Whatever you want to write, you can write here.
Okay.
That can be notes or new questions or varieties of something if you want to add, or some ideas if you want to write on this chapter. Anything can be written. Thousands of pages are available for this one. You can store it, and when you enter in the name of Sabur, you will be seeing it.
It will be available. Yeah.
Available. If somebody else is entering this software with another name, he won't.
It's making a different profile for every student.
Absolutely. That is we call sign up, like a sign up.
Yeah, sign up.
Signing in. He can with the same name. Only name is required.
Yes.
So this is here. Then you see that the solids, liquids and gases. How solids, liquids and gases. Liquid changes to solid freezing. See.
Liquid changes to solid.
So all are scientifically shown.
Which liquid changes into solid form is
understood. Let's conclude this, and I'll directly jump to this thing. I understood the concept what you have made.
Yeah, one more thing you should see this one. Mathematics, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Division also, if you see that, you will never forget. The child will never forget it for his lifetime. See, just a glimpse of this will help you.
Numbers according to their place and values to solve long division problems. We have to remember 5 steps: determine, multiply, subtract, compare, and break down. 22 times dash.
So see how to do it. If he goes to 5 times or 10 times, Any child will be getting the idea how to do it. Very clearly explains it. Okay. Then questions and like this, all the chapters in their textbook. Unitary method, practice, fractions, decimal, data wrangling, all these chapters will be there. So this is the English grammar also there. Then if you want to see any higher classes, that also can be.
Okay.
Or you want to see?
This is class 8th and 9th. 10th year will go for 10th.
Yeah, 10. This is class 10. Unitech is company's name, you can see here, standard 10. Then similar name, then CBSE you select. Then you go, you will get physics here. See, physics, these are the exact chapters, whatever NCERT in India has described in the textbook, whatever, in the same name, same thing, nothing else. So, like the human eye and electricity, magnetic. So, if you go to magnetic effect of current, these are the topics in the textbook. Exactly.
Where is that heart study? Sir? Whether the
How you want?
biology? Yeah,
That's biology. Biology for life process. You will be getting structure of leaf, nitrogen. Blood vessels, the human heart. You want to see
human heart? Yeah.
Heart. The heart is a muscular organ which is as big as our fist. Oxygen-rich blood from the lungs comes to the thin wall, upper chamber of the heart on the left atrium. The left atrium relaxes when it is collecting this blood. It then contracts, while the next chamber, the left ventricle, expands so that the blood is transferred to it. When the muscular left ventricle contracts in its turn, the blood is pumped out to the body. The oxygenated blood comes from the body to the upper chamber on the right atrium, as it expands. As the right atrium contracts, the corresponding lower chamber, the right ventricle, dilates.
This will go on like this, explaining all
the
this.
right ventricle, which in turn pumps into the lungs for oxygenation.
If you want to see blood vessels,
then arteries. Arteries are the vessels which carry blood away from the heart to various organs of the body, shown red.
No, that's enough.
Yeah, automatic nutrition is nitrogen from outside, heterotropic. Yeah, all these are their things only. Role of
digestive glands, lift, respiration,
gas exchange
in lungs, within the lungs, capacity,
mitochondria,
human heart, blood vessels.
All these topics are control and coordination if you want. Animals nervous system.
Animals nervous system. Reflex action. The process of detecting the human brain. Immediate response to movement due to growth.
So all these topics in detail, all the topics, all the chapters,
a
the system is there. In chemistry, similarly you can see acid bases. Then in mathematics, English grammar, everything is there. So similarly, every chapter will be explained like this.